Hi, my name is Jill, and my husband and I took on this project for multi-generational living, and our intent was to create a fully functional, accommodating living space for aging parents should they need to live with us, or our adult children when they come to visit us. We chose Aristokraft Cabinetry in a cool gray neutral shaker styling that we felt would stand the test of time. This is a detached two-car garage that the previous owners had already converted to an office space. And within the space, we were able to get a full kitchen with a full refrigerator, stove, microwave. We did a single bowl sink with a pull-out trash can, and then we maximized the storage. We put a 3-drawer stack that is excellent for accessing mixing bowls or pots and pans. And then the rest of the base cabinets, because of the design constraints, are a shallow depth. So we used the wall base cabinets there. We have 2 adult daughters and grandchildren who come for the weekends and sometimes longer and enjoy staying out here. It gives them a full independent living space, and they have a place to retreat when they're visiting us.